What's up, my beautiful people? This is Coach Gabby, and today I have the wonderful Penelope helping me show you the perfect leg workout for beginners. So I'm super excited to get into it with you. Let's go. All right, to begin with, we're gonna put our feet together, hands wherever you want it for a squat. Could be on the sides here, 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 whatever works for you. I like it here. And we are going to step out to the side, squat, together, side squat. 30 seconds. Remember to keep that core engaged, tucked in, shoulders down, back straight. Super important for spine health. Three more seconds. Last squat, make it good. And done, very good. Shake out those legs if you need to. So next we have a squat with the leg lift. So this time in squat position, shorts are rising up, it's normal, part of the workout. And in squat position, we're going to squat and then leg lift. Squat, leg lift. 30 seconds. If you can't go straight from the squat to the leg lift, it's okay to squat, pause, and then lift. Last one. Very good. Okay, so we're taking it down to the floor and still in the squat family, but it's in a kneeling position. So kneeling, feet apart a little bit so the bum can go in between, and we're going to come down, pulse, 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 up. 30 seconds.
Squeeze those up.
Yes, that's exactly where the workout is. Squeeze. Down, down, squeeze. All right, last one, make it a good one, squeeze. Very good. Now, staying down here, we're gonna lay to the side like a pretty little mermaid. Forearm on the floor, hand right here for support, and we're gonna be doing 30 seconds leg lift. And up. Remember to relax those shoulders, keep them away from your ears, and engage those legs when they come up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Penelope went turbo on me there in the last few. I like it though. All right, so next we have alternating frog kicks. So laying on your stomach, hands in between your forehead basically. You're gonna look down just for good spine health. We're gonna bend the knees and alternating frog kicks. So first we have right, let's go. Bend those knees a little bit more, Penelope. Yeah, perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very good. Take a second maybe here to breathe, relax. Find yourself so we can give our last exercise our all. So on our backs, we've got the classic glute bridge. So laying on your back, knees bent, feet on the floor. You're gonna have your hands down here on your sides for support. And we are going to push the pelvis up into a bridge and then come down. 30 seconds. Up and down. Remember, you could do this at your own pace. The beauty of 30 seconds is you can go as fast and as slow as you want to. All right, 3 more seconds. 2, last one, and down. Very good. That, everyone, was our perfect beginner's workout. Good job, Penelope. What'd you think?
That was awesome.
Loved it? Feel those burns? Well, check out our channel, subscribe, and I hope to see you at the next one.